Never thought about the idea that a muscadine grapevine could also be a hollow habitat in which something could hang out. Huh, interesting. But I guess the answer is yes. Something is sprouting down in there too. Are you seeing that seed? Interesting. Maybe an animal brought it down into here and lost it, and now it's sprouting again, mate. Interesting muscadine vine habitat. A hollow one. It's either that or a possum grape. See, if I was a termite, I would definitely be hanging out in here. This looks like a cool place. Most certainly. I've never seen an armadillo climbing, but I'm guessing that if you were a termite, this would be pretty safe for you. Possibly. I think so.